Welcome to our dumbbell workout tutorial, crafted for young fitness enthusiasts eager to tone their arms. Today, we're embarking on a transformative journey where each lift brings you closer to the toned arms you desire. Imagine the strength and confidence of sculpted arms, all achievable with our easy-to-follow exercises. We'll guide you through dynamic movements designed to maximize results and keep you motivated. So grab your dumbbells, clear some space, and let's start this empowering fitness adventure together. Remember, consistency is key, and with dedication, you'll see incredible changes. Stay with us as we explore techniques that will redefine your fitness routine. Ready to get started? Let's move into the first steps of our arm toning workout journey. Before diving into our dumbbell workout, it's crucial to prepare your body. A proper warm-up is key to preventing injuries and enhancing performance. Let's focus on warming up those arms. Start by circling your shoulders, gently loosening any tension. Next, extend your arms and make small circles, gradually increasing their size. Feel the muscles engage as you prepare for the workout ahead. These simple exercises awaken your muscles, so follow along and feel the energy building. Warming up protects you and ensures you're ready to make the most of every movement. Now that you're set, transition into our main workout segment, where we'll dive into effective dumbbell exercises for toning your arms. Stay tuned and keep that energy flowing. Now let's dive into our main workout routine, focusing on toning those arms with effective dumbbell exercises. First up, the classic bicep curl. Stand tall with feet shoulder width apart, hold a dumbbell in each hand, and keep elbows close to your body. Slowly curl the weights towards your shoulders, squeezing your biceps at the top. Aim for 12 to 15 repetitions, ensuring your form is tight and controlled. Next, target the triceps with tricep extensions. Hold a single dumbbell with both hands overhead, arms fully extended. Lower the weight behind your head by bending your elbows, then push back up. Keep your upper arms steady to maximize effectiveness. Complete 10 to 12 reps, focusing on perfect form. Moving on, we have the shoulder press. With a dumbbell in each hand, position them at shoulder height, palms forward. Press the weights upward until arms are fully extended, then slowly bring them back down. This exercise targets your shoulders and engages your core for stability. Complete 8 to 10 repetitions with precision. Finally, finish with hammer curls. Hold the dumbbells with palms facing each other and curl them up towards your shoulders. This variation targets different parts of the arm muscles, providing a well-rounded workout. Aim for 10 to 12 reps, focusing on steady and controlled movements. Remember, maintaining proper form is key to maximizing these exercises and preventing injury. Stay focused on each movement, and don't rush. Quality over quantity is what counts. With dedication and consistency, you'll notice those arms becoming more defined and toned. As we wrap up this segment, get ready to cool down and reflect on your accomplishments. Transitioning smoothly into our next part will help relax those worked muscles. Great job reaching the end of today's workout. Now, let's transition into our cool down phase. Cooling down is essential to help your muscles recover and prevent injury. Start by taking a deep breath and stretching your arms overhead. Feel the tension release as you gently stretch your muscles. Consistency is key, so take this moment to reflect on your progress. Every stretch brings you closer to your goals. Remember, these moments of calm are just as important as the workout itself. Keep practicing these stretches regularly to see the best results. You've worked hard, and your body deserves this time to relax and rejuvenate. Let's finish strong, and remember, every effort counts. Ready for more? Stay tuned for our motivational wrap-up next, where we'll keep you inspired on your fitness journey. Congratulations, you've completed the workout. Remember, every rep takes you closer to those toned arms you've been working for. Stay consistent, and you'll see the transformation you desire. Keep this routine as part of your journey to a fitter, stronger you. Your dedication is your strength, and today, you've proven that to yourself. But this is just the beginning. To keep progressing, revisit these exercises regularly. We're here to support you every step of the way. And hey, if you enjoyed this session, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more workouts and fitness tips designed just for you. Together, let's keep pushing the boundaries and achieving those goals. keep moving forward, and stay motivated. See you in the next video.